Try that trickling. Most often it's a flapper ball that's curled. Time to replace the flapper, that's the normal deal. Sometimes the chain can be cut too short. This one you can see the front of the flapper has started to curl. So these are supposedly a 5-year flapper, but if people use additives or whatnot, then they won't actually last 5 years because of additives, especially in a toilet where people go on vacation or out of town for periods of time or don't use like a second bathroom very often. The flapper will the additive will become concentrated and can eat the seals, especially the flapper. So change the flapper and we should be all set. Sometimes the fill valve itself can the seat can get a little ridge in it, and then there's a kit I have for replacing that. It sticks onto the. Okay, got a new flapper. No problem. You probably noticed all how white the stuff turned. And what happens is this is such a calcium and mineral deposit that it builds up and builds up in the tank. So what I'm going to do is, as I'm changing this out, I trim the new one down to size. We don't want the excess chain there because it can get jammed up on something else. But you see how cloudy the water is? And that's because there's calcium deposits been built up every time this thing is flushed for however many years old it is. So what we're going to do is rinse all that out as we change this flapper here. There it goes. Unclip the old one, unclip the clip off the top. And before I put the new one in, I'll just take this off and rinse all the sediment off the bottom. And just direct that into the. You can use a wet dry vacuum, works good too. This will get a lot of it, as well as off the sides. That's just going to minimize how cloudy the water is. Here goes our new flapper. Put it back on the chain. Test it out. It's going to be good. And if we need to, we can bend the steel a little bit. There we go. And bend it either way. We've got enough slack in the chain, and we also get a pull lift. Perfect. And it's still going to be a little bit cloudy. It's not perfect, but it's going to be better than it was. I'm going to stop the dripping sound that we had going earlier. And these are all flappers. We'll just take this and put it back in the case. But these just get rippled over time. And the question is it going to stop? The answer is yes, it is. All right. Good to go. We got cleaners coming to clean, so just getting everything ready. A
quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that will be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.